On 8th June 2022, the proprietor of Sankhamti Group, Samborlang Diengdoh, had announced the Independence Cup Football Tournament 2022 for the youth of Pynthorumkhrah Constituency. The tournament, that is scheduled to kickstart in July 2022, will continue till the finals on the 15th of August this year. Team entry to the tournament is free. Altogether, there will be 64 teams that will participate in the playoffs in July, allowing entry to the 32 teams split into 8 groups of 4 teams each in the league cum knockout tournament. Winners will qualify for the quarter and semi-final rounds, followed by the finals on the 15th of August 2022. Each team should comprise of 3 players who are below 18 years of age. Trophies and cash prizes will be awarded to winners of the Independence Cup 2022. Speaking to media person, Samborlang Diengdoh said that the tournament has been specially organized by the Samkhamti group to encourage young talented football players of Pynthorumkhrah Constituency to showcase their talent and to provide exposure to such youngsters in the field of football. The tournament will focus on players from all 4 divisions and later the Super Division that is organized each year by the Shillong Sports Association.
Nakaliang ka Samkhamti ngimut ban organize ko ka football tournament ni akhir teng ini football tournament ke Independence Cup ban ka team jong ni football tournament ke day youth is power pingi kwa ban promote ki youth po in and around Pynthorumkhrah Constituency te belengi formulate ya kan ka football tournament ru ke day nak tu ke jingirap jingi bingirap macam senam ha tigi clubs ke beli akai ke SSA di clubs ke ban po Pynthorumkhrah Constituency te pi kenma yung senam hadin ba kadang dak tu COVID-19 kadang kajing kenyat kajing delay mo bikin yo SSA ban organize tiki divisions nadu ki 4th division 3rd division 2nd division 1st division ka super division ni dalam bakla kidang yo sedang mentahi te macam senam tu ka short span of time ki pentil ibar ka ki club baka 4th 3rd 2nd baka 1st kandan kini ki divisions te pi sutu ibiki teams ki klamyo iru ban prepare ki squad jom di sakaweru macam senam ki penmi sakarun ba ki players bar ka di bandai tangi vaccinated players te bun ki players macam senam ki klamyo iru ban participate waktu ke season te ngi shamba ba ki players ki beli akam macam senam firstly nomor ki klamyo ban practice ka fitness level jong ki kamdan and secondly bun ki teams ki kamdan proper coordination proper combination te bangin yo ban penbet ya kata hakani season ke banwan Namar ko bang sutu moh kumnang ni na po Pynthorumkhrah Constituency ke mopat ba kanong song kana ka 3rd division kanong siap kana ka 2nd the most probably ngatry ka season ni kini kan sedang October tingi formulate ya kani ka tournament ru bang ikwa ba kikna ki players kini ka game time te ka registration jong ki players kan dai ho banai June ka tournament ngin start ho banai July but ka final ngin abu ba kan dai ka santri August kali ki Independence Day takadaw yung akhir tengka Independence Cup ti ngila ya ka tu ngi sutu ba kadai ka free entry ti tanglai po atli ki teams kadang duna plat ti ngi kampen jensur no kanjat ti nakalai po atli ki teams ngina sha be arsha bikin ya participate ti total team semta bandan hakani ka tournament ki bala ban thap bala ban register ki dai hadu under South League teams ti ko ka team kala ban register kan ringut ki player but langut ni gitu ki di bandai mandatory ki under 18s boleh ibu lang under 18 ni nomor ngi mo kam dum mention ni ka kerteng jigi club ngi atli ki second goli jeng tiki club macam senam ki deki under 18s kidang deki bedang class 11 but ka performance ki ka long very good long ki li kai bah tingi dan kamban promote kom tiki under 18s ti takdaw ikwa bakandan ka equal blend of players kindan lang ki belakam rang ba kindan lang ki tiki age group ki ba somewhere between 20 to 25 but language pada ki under 18 ki haban register te kadikatahi bagi kena gen sutu te bar ka entry bagi ongi fee ni hi kani kam involve entry fees area sudah be ka entry free but ki players kin dei bi batang na po Pynthorumkhrah Constituency kadikatahi Lisbon